Welcome to another video. Solve for x given that 2 raised to x plus x is equals to 6. I'm going to take you through step by step up to the final solution. We're going to find the value of x which satisfies this particular equation. If you're watching us for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment, turn the notification on. So straight away, let us dive into the solution. We need to identify the value of x. When I substitute here and here, then the output should be equals to 6. The first step that I'm going to do, I'm going to take x on the other side so that I get 2 raised to x is equals to 6 minus x. Next approach, I'm going to divide all through by 2 raised to x on both sides so that I have 2 raised to x like that. So when I divide like that, I'm going to get there 1 should be equals to 6 minus x. I'm going to write these two as 2 raised to negative x. Recall that wherever you have a raised to n, this can also be written as 1 all over a raised to power n. So I've just taken the denominator above, like that. Next step, I'm going to pre-multiply both sides using 2 raised to power 6, since I want to ensure that the power is the same as this bracket. So when I multiply all the both side by 2 raised to power 6, then I'm gonna get 6 minus x multiply by 2 raised to x multiply by 2 power 6, but the x is negative there. Simplifying this other part, I'm gonna get 2 raised to 6 is equals to 6 minus x. When you add the powers, since the base is the same, I'm gonna get 2 raised to power 6 minus x. At this stage, it is clearly easy to see that 6 minus x and 6 minus x are similar. And you need to recall from this stage that whenever you have an exponential to a natural log of any letter or any number, let me call it a, then the output should also be equals to a. That is what I'm going to use here. Since the exponential of a natural log of any number is the same as that number, then I'm going to introduce this factor there at this particular point, so that whenever I have the exponential to a natural log of 2, then this is the same as 2, meaning that at this particular point, the equation now going to change to 2 raised to 6 is equals to 6 minus x multiplied by the exponential to a natural log of 2, since this is the same as 2, should be equals to, and then the power is actually 6 minus x, like that. So guys, the next step, I'm going to introduce the natural log of 2 on both sides of this equation, so that I multiply both sides of this side and this side with the natural log of 2, so that I have the natural log of 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 6 should be equals to the natural log of 2 multiplied by 6 minus x, the exponential of the natural log of 2 in bracket 6 minus x. So guys, you realize that I have the natural log here, the natural log and an exponential. In order to solve it easily, then I'm going to introduce the Lambert function, the W function, on both sides of this equation. And you need to recall that when you have the W of a multiplied by an exponential of a, then it goes without saying that the output will be equals to a. So introducing the W function on both sides, I'm going to introduce the W function on both sides of this equation. Then I'm going to have the W of the natural log of 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 6 on that side is equals to the W of the natural log of 2 multiplied by 6 minus x, exponential the natural log of 2 in bracket 6 minus x. I've just introduced the W on both sides, and recall that wherever you have the W of a to the exponential of a, then in our case on this right hand side, the all of this represents a is the same as the all of that, meaning that on my right hand side it's gonna change to the natural log of 2 in bracket 6 minus x, and on my right hand side or my left hand side, on this side I still have the W of the natural log of 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 6, like that. So guys, at this stage I'm going to re-express 2 power 6 in terms of its products as 2 power 4 multiplied by 2 power 2. Of course, when you add the powers, you're going to get 6. And rewriting it using these products, I'm going to get the natural log of 2 multiplied by 6 minus x should be equals to the W of course, I'm going to start by rewriting 2 power 2 multiplied by the natural log of 2 multiplied by 2 power 4. It's just the same thing. I've just interchanged by rewriting 2 power 2 and 2 power 4, which the result is the same as 2 power 6. To continue simplifying it easily, I'm going to introduce an exponential at this particular point. And I know that 2 is the same as the exponential of the natural log of 2. So I'm going to write these 2 in terms of this, so that I have the natural log of 2 multiplied by 6 minus x is equals to the W of course, 2 squared multiplied by the natural log of 2 to the exponent of the natural log of 2. But remember, outside I have 4 So able to see it clearly. Then this 4 can come down and be simplified as now. So guys, if you're still watching us, kindly remember to comment on this video, like it, and subscribe. So solving it further, I'm going to get the natural log of 2 in bracket 6 minus x should be equals to the w of course, 2 squared is 4, multiplied by the natural log of 2 to the exponential of the natural log of 2. But I can decide to bring this 4 here using the laws of indices, so that it becomes 4 to the natural log of 2, like that. And it is very easy to see that when you take the w of 4 to the natural log of 2 to the exponential of 4 to the natural log of 2, then this function, they are similar. I'm going to call it a. It's simple a. Working out very fast, I'm going to get natural log of 2 in bracket 6 minus x should be equals to, when I take the w of a to the exponential of a, the answer just remains as a. So meaning that on my right hand side, I'm going to get 4 to the natural log of 2. And you're able to see clearly. To simplify it further, I realize that I have the natural log of 2 and the natural log of 2. I can cancel the natural log of 2 on both sides, so that I'm going to remain with 6 minus x is equals to now 4. Which simplifies to an easier, simple arithmetics or algebra. So I'm going to take x on the other side, so that I have 6 minus 4 should be equals to x. And it goes without saying that the final value of x is 6 minus 4, which is actually giving me the answer for this particular function as x is equals to 2. This can be verified, and you realize we had that, let us try verifying. We had 2 raised to power x plus x should give me 6, and of course we've managed to find the value of x as 2. So substituting 2 power 2 plus 2 gives us 6, meaning 4 plus 2 is the same as 6, and 6 is equals to 6. So thank you for watching this particular tutorial. I hope you've learned. Kindly remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you until we meet again in the next video.